£3,000 for this computer that's making this fucking noise. So, Craig, if you wanna tell me what's wrong with it, mate, or anyone. It doesn't sound like the fans. It's got loads of fans. It sounds like it's coming from the back of the computer. Or the top of the computer. Or it sounds like this top fan here. Is that a fan? But if you can hear that noise, and then when I do this, it stops. Yeah? Look. That's how it should sound. See, now it stopped. But it does get louder as well, so there we go. Listen to it now. The It might be that. It might be this thing here. It's hard to tell where the noise is coming from. So what makes this noise? Is it the fans or the pump? It's fucking irritating, man. And another thing that happens is I'll be asleep 3 in the morning and the computer just turns on its own. It keeps turning itself on every now and then. So if you know about that as well, I mean, it's a fucking joke. I paid £3 for this and it's fucking about. The mouse works though. But can you hear that? That ain't normal, is it? Give it a tap and it stops. Yeah.